Actually, his internet is.
Oh, fucking air shack. Fuck! Oh my god, I got him! Oh, I swung at him! I swung at him with the pickaxe, but he didn't die.
How did he get close to you?
My rocket?
He's probably waiting for me. That's what he's doing.
Oh my god. Okay, I'll go on the opposite.
Go fuck yourself.
That sucks. Oh shit. Okay, bye. It's me, Gabble Man! Holy shit!
The funny thing about Black Wonder is they're like, oh, we have a sound list, but goblins can't spam these fucking shitty Microsoft jacket lines.
Travel.
I mean, there's jackass admins, so that's the thing. Let me. No.
Those I can't pull up. Hey, you had outline because you spawned too. I guess.
You know what? It's time to go full on. Fly. It's the fly.
I thought that was a spy. Oh fuck. Oh, never mind. It doesn't even matter. It's just Hanzo.
It's the fly.
You play Hanzo because I'm about to make you Gonzo. Fucking die, faggot. Oh
I'm gonna
shit.
say that to somebody the next time you play Overwatch. Oh, you're a Hanzo main? Well, I'm gonna make you a Gonzo main because we'll be fucking. I don't even know.
Don't roast
Make sure to say trademark crash. Make sure it says trademark crash batch 2017 and watermark my name all over your fucking invisible fucking sentence.
Oh, I love it.
Oh man, he went double bad. I wonder why. Certainly not because I was double bad and it was working. Look at him. He has an oh, Australia. Just kidding. It doesn't even matter what class. They're gonna go heavy. One of them's gonna go heavy eventually. I can't even fucking kill anybody. Hold the fuck on. Oh look, now we have a heavy. Oh fuck! Oh shit! They wrote power play. What are you doing? Oh, I guess the person with power play isn't coming in here. Fucker. I got stuck on someone's ass.
Sticky.
Ooh, off and face. I want to use the nade launcher more. Grab everything I can. Okay. I wonder what I'll get. Holy shit! One sticky bomb can kill an entire fucking bitch. Oh shit! Look at this. My ass is still dry. No clubs hair, nothing. My ass is still dry. No clumps of hair, nothing. I'd be glasses because I could just sit on her face all day. Really classy, Olsen.
I know. I actually
That's really-
stole that from somebody. I just replaced the name.
You replaced their name for mine.
Hold on.
Hold on to what? Your ass.
You're Yeah.
Shit.
Oh, you know what? You know what they'll understand is this.
My ass.
You just got Kennedy.
Oh my god.
Kennedy. Kennedy.
Are you hungry? Why not have some Pringles?
This is the worst.
Wait, it's an unusual?
Come on in and
I'm on my way.
come enjoy These crisps.
Where's my usual, guys?
Going to get Doritos.
If Crash is the one dude to make it get away, I swear to God.
Ah, fuck, I died. I hate Whoa! Oh my god, I made it through! Fucker. I also stop! You fucking retard. Retard. Oh!
I know you'll let. Showing because of who this is, I know you'll let me get away with it.
That's getting cut up.
Fuck the medic. Fuck my. I keep killing. I'm sorry. I am so sorry, the goblins. Fuck you guys. I'm going to do something else. I'm going swimming in the swimming pool. Hey, there's a spy up here.
I could actually do that right now and go out and turn on my light, and it would probably be dope as shit, but I don't want to.
Got a bucket of chicken.
Got a bucket of chicken. Hey, Sean, you want to kill? There's. We just hit 1,000. 401. The 401k. I think there's a heavy in there with you, maybe.
Yo, the gangster talking, hippity hoppity, I'm back. Hello, gangster lover. Why do you keep getting stuck like a retard?
No, because like what I'm doing is that if it's wrong, I can just hold onto the wall and then I can live. But sometimes if I'm not high up enough, I can grapple the floor. I'll make you.
I just ran up to this guy and knifed him in the ass. Are they really gonna come in here? Is anybody in here? I think I'll join blue team just to fuck shit up.
My boy Caden Ben
Time
here.
to hide, cowards. I fucking died.
Time to hide, cowards!
How you guys doing?
Magnus.
Okay,
Yeah,
I'll be on.
Go.
I don't know where he
Guys,
is.
Guys,
I mean, like, I
look
don't know how to
at the.
get there.
Get in here. Actually, wait, no, I didn't. I remember.
Oh, imagine. What'd you say about Minecraft? He's full out.
No, next time he does it, it's a fidget spinner with razor blades on it.
Oh no!
Oh no, no, no!
Oh, and then he throws it across the room and screams, "I need healing." Okay.
Say one more thing about Roblox, and I cannot guarantee your safety.
I hope so. There's fidget spinners in Roblox now.
Oh wait, really?
Yes.
Oh no!